So how do they mine for gold? Mining companies have to dig deep, crush tons of rock, and use clever science to extract even the tiniest flakes. There are two main ways gold is mined: placer mining and hard rock mining. Placer mining is the older and simpler method. Miners search for gold in riverbeds, streams, sediment, where gold has naturally washed down from mountains over thousands of years. Because gold is very heavy, it sinks to the bottom of rivers and gets trapped between rocks and gravel. Early miners used simple pans to swirl water and sand around until the heavier gold settled at the bottom. This process is called gold panning. Today, placer mining can still involve panning, but larger operations use machines called sluice boxes and dredges. A sluice box is a long channel where water flows through gravel and sand. Special ridges inside the box catch heavy gold particles while lighter materials wash away. But most of the world's gold actually comes from hard rock mining. This method targets gold trapped inside solid rock deep underground. First, geologists search for gold deposits using satellite data, rock samples, and geological surveys. Once a promising location is found, mining companies drill deep holes into the earth to confirm how much gold is present. If the deposit is large enough, a gold mine is built. Massive machines dig layer after layer of rock and soil to reach the gold-bearing ore underneath. Other mines are underground, where tunnels stretch hundreds or even thousands of meters below the surface. Miners use explosives and heavy machinery to break apart the rock. The rock is crushed into tiny pieces using giant industrial crushers. The goal is to separate the gold from the surrounding rock. Next comes the extraction process. One common method uses a chemical solution called cyanide. The powdered rock is mixed with water and cyanide, which dissolves the gold and separates it from the rest of the material. While cyanide is extremely toxic, modern mines carefully control and recycle it to minimize environmental damage. After the gold is dissolved, it's recovered from the liquid using special filters or activated carbon that attracts the gold particles. The gold is then melted in extremely hot furnaces to remove impurities. This process creates rough bars called Doré bars, which are usually about 90 to 95% pure gold. These Doré bars are then sent to refineries, where they're purified even further. At the refinery, advanced processes remove the remaining metals until the gold reaches 99.99% purity. Only then does it become the shiny gold bars we imagine. Sometimes miners must process several tons of rock just to produce a single gold ring. It's a huge operation involving geology, engineering, chemistry, and massive machinery.